Hi, hello, good day everyone. My name is Fatin Syuhada BINTI HARDON and my matrix number is B20EA0093. And today I would like to do my minor presentation for Integrated Design Project 1. Okay, for the first department is a work. Okay, a work carried out in the early stage of construction. It consists of survey plan, which is BM, PNB, key and location plan with site boundaries. Second, they have check platform level. Okay, uh, our plan is divided into three phases, which is southern zone, central zone, and northern zone. And this figure shows our site analysis. Okay, next is purpose level. For our first draft, percentage difference for whole site is 48.08%. Okay, as a result, some changes are made at the southern part and central part. Okay, first one is northern zone. Purpose level will increase by 1.5 meter except worker hostel, PPU, water tank, and detention point. Okay, for the second one is central part. Purpose level will increase by 2 meter except detention point. And the third one is northern zone is remain unchanged. Okay, the fourth one is open space is being ignored. And lastly, the fifth one, smaller grid size and more accurate areas are used for the calculation. Okay, for our second graph, percentage difference for whole site is 27.08%. Okay, for our slope stability, um, gradient ratio is 1:1, and our factor safety is 1.53, which is safe. Okay, for the second department is water reticulation. Okay, water reticulation system are water distribution network which have to be collected and then treated before distributed to the consumer. Okay, a water tank will be designed based on the water demand. Okay, the water distribution should be follow the Johor Water Authority, which called SAG, and Malaysia Water Society, which called MWA. Okay, lastly, the peak flow balance method, while the pressure head is determined using Bernoulli equation, and the head loss is computed using Hazen medium. Okay, next is design criteria. Our design criteria is pipe network system, pipe design, water demand, average water demand, peak flow rate, fire flow rate, residual pressure head, head loss, maximum allowable velocity, and lastly, net static level. Okay, next is design of water tank. Okay, our total water demand is 10.8599 liter per second. For the volume that we get is 938.3 meter cube. Okay, for the proposed size water tank, our diameter is 20 meter, for the height is 4 meter, and the volume of water tank that we get is 1256.64 meter cube, which is larger than 938.3 meter cube, which means our design is okay. For our top water level, we get is 89.73 meter, and this figure show our water tank design. Okay, for the last department is cost and estimation. Okay, cost is a process of establishing a project cost, while estimation is a fixing the selling price of the final product after charging the appropriate overhead and allowing a certain margin for the profit. Okay, for our work specification is first is site clearing, next is preserving of existing tree, demolition of structure, topsoil, disposal of material. The sixth one is protection of slope and banks, and lastly cut and fill. This figure shows our planning activities. Okay, next is machinery. Our type of machinery that we use is excavator, bulldozer, filler benzer, compactor, dump truck, motor grader, backhoe loader, and flatbed truck. For our summary cost estimation is our initial cost are 11,498,945 ringgit and 83 cents. For our final costs are 9,900,373 ringgit and 35 cents. And amount of our guide are meter cube. And our amount here are um, 605,431.02 meter cube. That's all from me. Thank you.